Knoxville Roof Repair by Litespeed Construction. You can find us on the web at litespeedconstruction.com. If you need your roof repaired due to a storm because of heavy rains, lightning, wind, or even hail damage, or if your roof is just old, we can help. Allow me to introduce you to someone that you should know if you need your roof repaired. That person is none other than,
drum roll please,
Kirby Smith, the owner. He is your very own Knoxville roofing superhero. He is not only a licensed contractor, but one of the few contractors that is a licensed engineer. While he may not be able to leap tall buildings at a single bound, he can get on any roof with his trusty ladder and tell you if there's hidden structural damage that others might miss. Aren't you worth getting the best? Of course you are. If your home or commercial building needs roof repairs, call Kirby at 865-297-3286 or go on the web at litespeedconstruction.com. Fast, fair, and friendly, and we know roofs.